Okay, if this, if one of, when is closed, then this can be standby, right? No?
Yeah.
Standby. Okay, we are happy. Okay, so now let us come. This is the last one. Then we'll see. Here, no.
Differentiation is installed there for this screen.
Which one?
Differentiation blockage happen.
This one, huh? You are saying this one?
Screen. This is a combination. You can explain.
Where is the screen here?
This is the one. DS501. This is the one.
This one.
No. Inside the, yes, this is the one.
Okay.
Okay, this is screen, huh?
But if a blockage is there, the level start rising and then it will give, yeah, that has to give the alarm.
Yeah. Is it here? What are the?
There was a switch
Potential voltage of DS.
in the tank before the.
Yeah, this
Yes, major one.
Note it down.
Just explain this.
Can someone explain?
Yeah. Actually, here they have two level switches. You have low, high, and high. Okay. So at the high level, the screen it will work. That's in the solids close the opening, and the flows
LSH.
going up. And if it is down, will
This will
stop.
happen.
In case you have an issue with the screens,
It's
the flow will go high.
Mhm.
So at that time, it will give alarm.
Alarm, yeah. So they go, see, you have LSH. This will give alarm. LSH will stop.
It will run the unit.